coin card.
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch. So we're gonna put the cornstarch.
So what is the next ingredient?
The next ingredient, we're gonna put the bucket.
Don't put in the bucket. You have to say the next ingredient. What's the next ingredient?
Next, we're gonna do the cornstarch.
No.
The water, my
Yes.
bad.
And what? And last,
The coloring. Blue color.
and then we're gonna.
To the ingredients are water, color, blue color, because we have that. And then
What is this ingredient, Chris?
honey
Cornstarch.
cornstarch. Next, we're gonna do water.
And then we're gonna mix them.
Yeah, we're gonna mix them.
See you next video.
Bye. So the first one is cornstarch. So we're gonna put it inside.
Pour it.
Oh, you saw that all of it?
Next, we're gonna
Next.
do.
Water, but I need to have because it's two.
Okay, so let's do. You do it first.
Oh, you saw that?
Do it. Okay, pour it. All of it. All of it. Yeah, good job. Now my turn.
Oh,
There. And last. Oh, there's just some more little.
Now we're gonna do coloring.
Go to
Yeah.
And Stephanie's gonna pour the coloring food.
So how you gonna do, Gada? First of all.
Now you do it first.
What's going on?
That is so cool.
I didn't even hear
I never saw it. Last, we're gonna mix it.
You're mixing it up.
Okay.
No.
Now go. Now it's Stephanie's turn.
I'm gonna put my shirt inside. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Now mix it, Chris. Feel the crunchiness.
I can make it like many times.
Good.
Oh, look at it. That looks perfect.
So squishy.
Yeah.
Slimy.
Oh, I can feel my hand inside like 10 seconds and it is stuck.
Oh. Oh, it's stuck to the bowl. Take it out.
Oi. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, let me try.
How it feels?
It feels like perfect, but
It feels hard and sticky.
yeah, it even can do like this. Oh my god. This one's so good.
Oh.
That doesn't smell like nothing.
Yeah.
Whoa, it looks like you're putting your hand.
Are you ready? I'm about to put it up. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, they look like hard rock.
Yeah, and I'm about to put this. Look, are you ready?
Woo!
It's so slimy. Now it's your turn, Gora. It's your turn now. Whoa. Squash.
It's
No.
so squishy.
Let her do it.
It's so squishy.
And if you want to know what this is ooblek.
And it's so like squishy. And, you
And
can do
it's
like this.
squishy and sticky like slime.
And even you can do like this. Look. It's too hard.
But look, my favorite color is blue.
Because it's soft and slimy.
Yeah.
You
You heard that noise?
Okay.
Put it right there.
Oh, that feels sticky.
Ew, right? That
It
looks
feels like
sticky.
hard rock.
Yeah, and it's like, yeah, it's really feel like disgusting.
It feels like I'm mixing something.
Even if you like stop it like many times.
It's so squishy.
I'm just gonna take it off his pain, right?
This is an experiment from the school. Homework for the class.
Yeah.
The texture
The
of it.
texture is stuff making a ball like this.
Okay, show me.
When it comes out, look what happens. Squish.
It becomes liquid, right?
Yeah, and you can squeeze it, but that's how we know. Like this, yeah. Or you do this. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, I'm a wiggle man. It's like funny. Okay.
And it's so squishy, but if you leave it like this, it melts.
You see? It turns to water, right?
But if you go it like this,
It's hard. And then, you see that? That's ooblek.
Mommy.
This is ooblek, and the texture of it is hard. Hard like in a rock and liquid at the same time. Like when it dries off, it's not as liquidy as it is. It's just so in the bottom, the ones that dried, it's dried, and the one in the top, it's usually liquidy. So from the one in the bottom that I'm touching, it's hard. And it usually dries on your hand or it dries on the boat. See, that part is wet and this part in the bottom is hard. Look, see? It's jiggly and then it starts falling. Because once it falls on a wet or a dry surface, it starts to get watery and then it drops. For you guys to see how it actually is. Okay. Oops. Okay. It's pretty sticky to hard to play, but okay, ready? That's the ball. And then watch it just melt. It's like paint when a top layer of it is just like when the top layer of it is just like dried and then the bottom is paint. That's how it is. And it's easy to make, but kind of messy too.
Bye guys. See you next video.